Riwruok moro makelo kanyakla jotelo mamine kod josiasa mawuok e gwenge mopogore e kaunti ma Meru owuok oko mar kwere jotend wards kata MCAs ma kaunti no kuom chwalo dwaro thicho oko apisi kata gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza ka giwacho ni mano en akwede mar tend mine mano chako chon e kinde telo mar Anirita Karimi. Magi timore seche ma bende gavana ma Meru Kawira Mwangaza olieko ni midhiero mokwake en kaluwore kod kit chwech mare. Kowacho ni oganda mawuok e dhod Meru pok orwako telo mar mine, gino momiyo gidwa thiche oko mar apisi. Jotelo go koro kwayo od buch kaunti ma Meru mondo many yore mag tieko gwandruok ma kinde ka kinde.
And gender issue. Yes. Kawira is competent as a governor. Yes. We have seen her going to Mashinani. We have seen her exerting as a woman rep before she was elected as a governor. Yes. So it is not an issue of incompetence. It is an issue of gender. Nice. Yes. It is an issue of male chauvinism. Yes. It is an issue of men cannot accept that they are being ruled by a woman. Yes. This is a curse we intend to break. Yes. As Meru women. And I'm calling upon the men of Meru County to come up and protect Kawira Mwangaza because you are fathers of daughters. Yes. If you don't protect Kawira Mwangaza today, your daughter has no chance of ever becoming a leader in Meru County.
Tunasema viongozi wetu wapatanishwe, MCAs na gavana wapatanishwe, kuwe na umoja na waendelee. Hiyo ndio kitu itatufanya tuweze kujua kama yeye ni kiongozi mzuri ama ni kiongozi mbaya, na 2027 tuweze kuamua kama ni kumuendeleza ama ni kuchukua mwingine.
Nashangaa ni aje mama anaweza olewa na ajue village ile ameenda na ajue kona za hiyo nyumba in 1 month or 2. Kwa sababu impeachment ya mheshimiwa Kawira Mwangaza ilipangwa kabla hata mwezi moja injaisha. Na niulize swali, kila mtu amekalia kiti chake. Senator amekalia kiti chake, MP amekalia kiti chake, governor, MCA, president na wote. Ni nani angefurahi sana kuambiwa ondoka kwa hiki kiti, enda pali pengine ama enda